Hi everyone. If you're a gas safe installer approaching 40 or over 40, we're not getting any younger. Aches and pains will start, and no customer or boiler manufacturer is going to pay us extra for that situation. Installing boilers will wear us out, but fault finding we can do forever. Let me show you. Fault finding is lighter work. It's more brains than brawn. We can do this for a long time. If you care about your customers, after you've installed, then look after the boiler because it may have a 5 or 10 year guarantee. And who's going to look after that? Any gas safe engineer. Who should be looking after that? It's you, the installer. So don't miss this opportunity to keep your customer happy and keep your database growing and being more successful. You may be newly qualified, 18 to 30, and have no desire to hang boilers and radiators and all of that. So what's your choices? Learn fault finding and wiring controls. And that's what I've been doing for the past 20 odd years, turning zeros into heroes. I'm going to be making 2 or 3, maybe 4 videos on how to start or improve your fault finding diagnostic talents and also wiring, because actually that makes the most profit. Believe it really does. So the first video is going to be about what you need to learn and understand. For instance, my video, Find the Fault in 5, how to test a diverter valve, for example. All of those you need to know before you can start going around people's houses and spending hours diagnosing, looking at that part or that part. Somebody on social media will say, as I've said before, it's definitely going to be the fan, 100%, or it's going to be the PCB. That's a favourite fault, which it isn't. But they say any old rubbish because that's how some people are. So don't listen to anybody. As I said before, phone the factory, or better still, watch my videos. I'll take you from step by step. I'll give you that confidence. I've been doing it for over 25 years. So I know what you need to know and I know how to teach you. And if you're not sure, get in touch, subscribe to my channel, and I'll help you out as much as possible. The second video is going to be more about customer databases, what to look out for, which jobs to take, and more importantly, which jobs not to take. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any comments, please leave them below. I always answer everybody, and like and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic adult videos. Take care.